I will share with you on all aspects of quality, which include what, why, who, how to achieve quality which you can use for your job interview. During my career as a quality department head, I have interviewed many candidates for quality engineer and manager posts where most of them fail to answer simple questions such as what is quality? By the end of this video, you will understand what is quality's definition, why it is important, who owns quality, how to measure and achieve quality, and you can answer all those questions confidently in your quality engineering job interviews and also helps you to perform your job better as a quality engineer. The definition of what is quality by American Society of Quality is that the product must be fit for use in its intended purpose and can satisfy and imply the customer's needs. So the product must be free of deficiencies, able to function without problem for its intended purpose. This means if I buy a refrigerator, it should have frozen compartments for my frozen foods and chiller to preserve my food items at low temperature and able to function according to the feature given by the manufacturer, and I should be able to install the refrigerator without any problem, which is free from deficiencies. After installation, the refrigerator should work. So, consumer and producer actually look at quality differently. As a producer, if I produce or supply parts which comply to customers' requirement, fit for use and free from defect, the product is good quality. For a consumer, this would consider as an expected feature, such as the refrigerator example, that we expect refrigerator to function after setup and plug in electricity. And consumer has a very subjective view on quality, which could mean that something extra may be at a reasonable cost. In a more holistic way of defining quality would be well-designed products according to consumers' needs, maybe using the Kano analysis or the House of Quality analysis to map out the customer's need and the product feature itself, made from good grades or high grades material, which is very important, originated from well-controlled process. That means the process is well maintained, well controlled, and there is not much variations in the process output. So it should be a very narrow, less variations process, minimal handling of the product, which will means that there is also no excessive testing or inspection, appropriate check and balance process which reflect the performance of the product itself, do it right the first time, and finally able to function even beyond its warranty period. If the products can fulfill the above 7 criteria, we will have good quality products, and we can also meet the cost objective of both producer and consumer, because sometimes cost is viewed as quality from consumer points of view. Quality is important actually to achieve customers' satisfaction and also their loyalty. From a supplier's perspective, you must ensure that customer is willing to spend money to buy your product and not your competitor's product. Customer is the one that determines the quality value of your products based on how much the product fulfill their requirements and beyond, which sometimes include price target. Some customer also willing to pay a little bit extra for a reputable brand which they associated to quality in their perception. Therefore, a producer must be able to market a product which perceived as good quality to sell the product. One of the key questions is who owns quality in an organization? Throughout the years of me interacting with many companies, most of the suppliers or most of the companies will tell me that quality departments owns quality. I'm sure you will give the same answer if you are not really a qualified quality or experienced quality practitioner. The correct answer is actually everybody in the organizations owns quality, because quality has to be designed in, planned, built in, and not achieved through inspection. Most of the people or organization has misconception that inspection process actually create quality products, and inspection function is the main function of quality department. Sometimes the poor quality department has to be blamed if customer has received defects or poor quality products. We must learn how to measure quality. So, as I stated earlier on, consumer and producer measure quality differently. As an end user or consumer is the paymaster, therefore, producer must understand the customer's needs. Unfortunately, not many producers appreciate this point and also able to drive this point across organization. It's very important that quality department or quality management professional must learn how to drive this point across organization. So organization that are able to measure their products from consumers' perspective will normally enjoy a higher rate of success. One of the ways actually to understand what consumers or customers requirement is through what we call a critical to quality tree. So let's look at this example of a table fan. What end customers need is fan with good speed, oscillate at wide angle, low noise level, and also free from cosmetic defect. And definitely the drivers will be the quality products at reasonable price. So quality products means that what are the key characteristics that needs to be measured to achieve all these customers' needs or requirement. It could be the motor torque, the fan blade size, the appearance check, and the motor speed, and also the noise level. So in summary is that once we have identified the key parameters to the customers, we can measure quality. If you are interested to learn more about quality tools which will help you in a job interview and advancement in your quality engineering career, do check out all my courses at Udemy, an affordable course provider. I have courses on supplier quality management, supplier quality audits, quality tools such as MSA, SPC, FMEA, Lean, and Six Sigma course, problem-solving course on root cause analysis and 8D problem solving, specialized process on process control and quality audit, method stamping process, and also personal development on interview, and also teach you the survival skills in the corporate world. All courses comes with downloadable checklists and guide which you can apply immediately in your job. Click on the link provided to check out those courses. You can also message me through LinkedIn to get my special rate of USD $9.99. Some of the courses gets 5 stars rated by most of my students. To go through how quality is normally achieved in an organization. Here I have categorized organizations into 3 categories: the best type of organizations, the dream type of organization, the good organization, and the so-called average. So the methods adopted to achieve quality is that for the best type, quality is actually attained through design, planning, and built into the products. Means that this one, when during manufacturing, there will be less headache, less problem, and a lot of effort is put in upfront to manage the quality, to plan in the quality into the product itself. The second one is good. So they will expect to have some deficiencies in design, not perfect, or manufacturing of the products. However, there are quality improvement efforts to address those deficiencies through corrective and preventive actions. The third one is that not much effort is put into design, or ignorant that quality has to be planned in. Lack of any quality improvement activities, only continue to inspect, continue to screen products to meet customers' requirement. So this is the overall of quality of what, who, why, and also how. Have better understanding on the term quality and able to embrace it in your daily job as a quality engineer. Do like, share, and subscribe to my channel to get the content which will help you in your quality and manufacturing career. Thank you for watching this video and hope to see you in my next video.